namaste, namaskaram. How are you doing?
Awesome, excited.
Excited? Ready to dance, ready to speak, ready to sing? Yes? Okay, so we are going to get started. And, before I start, I want to give a big round of applause to the team of Global Musical Icon. Let's welcome the duo from Tennessee, Shalini Dixit and Mr. Anirudh Sathe. Miss Dixit is a proud recipient of awards like the Globee Award for Business Women, Global Award for Business Women. She was recently felicitated by Miss Universe Harnaz Sandhu and Consulate General, Indian Embassy in Atlanta, Georgia by the Consulate General. So here we have Miss Shalini Dixit. Anirudh is an IT professional with a passion to bring North America's Desi community together. He is also a co-founder of Shuddha Desi Radio. He has vast experience with companies like Deloitte Consulting, Mercedes-Benz, Coca-Cola, and Geodis for their supply chain initiatives. He is the past president of one of the regional communities in the USA. He maintains his pleasant, cool demeanor, and he is an influencer in the media and entertainment field. So welcome to Dallas, Andy Sathe. Miss Neetu Rishi, she is the... So Neetu Rishi is the CEO and founder of the Success Store, a personal and professional coaching academy for youth and adults. She's also the director of the youth education for Dale Carnegie program, and an accomplished motivational speaker with impressive accolades, a pageant coach, a published author, and a leadership executive coach. She has been on various podcasts and live shows, both as a guest and as a host, along with the media publications for her ongoing progress towards her goal. Give a big round of applause to the contestants. So
दुश्मन है सारा जहां तेरी आंखें भूल भुलैया दामन से फिसला जाए अंगिया से खिसका जाए
thank you so much. Awesome, Ahana. Great job.
ముత్తుంటే ఎర్రగా కన్ని చింతేనే సెగలు నా
Last one, but everyone was so amazing, and I had goosebumps throughout, and it was one amazing event from all the participants. A big round of applause to all of them here.
हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो जो है
Because you all are winners. You know why? Because compare yourself who you were yesterday. Think who you have become in this journey. That's more important. So never give up on your passions. And I cannot sing, cannot dance, but still I wanted to do this because I'm a passionpreneur. I followed my passions and converted it into profession. To Shabnam ji, she's my favorite. She's the one who inspired me the first day I landed in US. So thank you for your support always. We have Gagan Bhalla ji. Gagan ji is here, the owner of Grand Center, for giving us this wonderful platform and a wonderful place. I also have a memory with this place. When I moved to United States, I started my motivational journey, and I got the Best Motivational Coach Award in the same room, on the same stage. Thank you. Then we have our guests, Jagmohan Kohlichi. We have Ms. Radha Patel as one of our sponsors. We have Ms. Sangeeta Datta. I think we are missing Mr. Malik Jamal from Discount Par, Mr. Vinay Singh from Top Shot Events, Ms. Archana, she is a small business owner, but she has arranged some gift bags for our judges because she said it takes effort to judge. It was so difficult to judge these kids, right? And then special thanks to some people who are not here, Soch Dallas, Mr. Darshan Patel from Patel Brothers, Mr. Srujan, who helped us in marketing with Dolphin Services, Ms. Deepa Kamath with her Performing Arts Academy. We have from the Peppers, Mr. Vinod for the delicious food outside. Our beautiful MCs, Vani and Komal. They did an amazing job, isn't it? And special thanks to all the volunteers. I will later on invite them all on stage. And then we have coordinators for the volunteers. Ms. Deb was handling with them. And then Mr. Sridhar, who was the coordinator for judges. We had Ms. Vaishnavi as our social media specialist. And then final thanks to the two people who are not here. They're compiling the results, Ms. Shalini and Mr. Anirudh. So we're just waiting for the last result.
So once again, thank you participants and parents.
Kiran Khan, Ethnic Performing Arts.
In Dance Junior is Anahita Ahuja.
The winner actually is for Instruments Youth. That's Gaurav Sarangi. Congratulations, Gaurav.
English Youth, Ahana Narela.
Group for public, for voice Hindi and regional, and that is Paya Rai Tolri. It's our really pleasure, and we are really feel like we are really honored and blessed that we got to be here and be part of this wonderful team, and then got to see so much of wonderful talent. Everybody, like I know those who didn't get any first or second prize, and you don't have to lose heart, because what I believe is that participation is important. You should have that guts and that courage to come on this stage and showcase your talent in front of all these people, and then everybody's watching you there, their eyes are on you. That is most important part. Winning and losing is just a part of the game. That's what I feel. So I thank and I congratulate all of you one more time.